إخواني السلام عليكم، مرحبا بكم في قناة Learn English with صلاح. Today's lesson غادي يكون عنده علاقة بقطاع السياحة وخصوصا reception الاستقبالات. في هذا الفيديو إخواني غادي نشوفوا ثلاثة ديال المحاور الرئيسية هما hotel check-in time, dealing with difficult customers and giving direction. الحوار غادي يكون ما بين receptionist and a guest. Good morning sir, how are you today? Very well, thank you. How may I help you, sir? I would like to check in, please. Have you already booked your room, sir? Sureness. And Robinson. Mark Robinson. Could I have your passport, please, sir? Sure. Here you are. Thank you. So you have booked the double room including breakfast for 1 week. Right. Would you please fill out this form and sign here? With pleasure. Here you are. Thank you, sir. I would like to welcome you to our hotel. You will find all info and guide lists inside your room in case of need, sir. Of course, with a smile. Please, sir, here is your key card. Your room is number 704. Our concierge will lead you right now. Your luggage will be sent in a while through our porter. Enjoy your stay, sir. Of course, with a smile. Course 2. Giving direction to guests. Good morning. Good morning, sir. How are you today? Great. I would like to go to some places, but I really don't know because it's my first day here in Marrakesh. Could you help me? Yes, sir. Tell me, which places would you like to go to? In fact, I heard about Jamalfna Square, Gillies, and Eureka Valley. I want to visit them. Okay, sir. Regarding Gillies, it's the city center where our hotel is found. You can take a long walk between the malls and shops along the street, past the big garden next to Al Kutubiyya Mosque. There, you start to meet the famous Jamalfna Square by hearing the sound of popular and folkloric bands like Gnawi, Ahwash, and others. You'll be astonished when seeing the roofless restaurants with their grills smelling smolders in the air. I'm sure you will love it. You really make me love it before I see it. Thanks for your help. You are welcome, sir. By the way, here is a map that shows all places here. You can use it in case. Sure, I will. I forgot. How about Eureka Valley? Yes, it's a bit outside of the center. You take Mohammed VI Street and keep going straight along until you get there. It's one long way. Is there any snacks or restaurants over there? Yes, of course. You will taste the Berber tagine with onions and meat or chicken. Wonderful. Thanks for your help. Anytime, sir. Have a nice tour. And now you practice alone. Course 3. Dealing with difficult guests. Good evening, sir. How may I help you? I want to get into my room, please. Would you please give me your passport to check your booking first? We need to fill in the form and get it signed first, sir. I will do it later on. Now, I want to rest because I've been flying for 15 hours. I'm really exhausted. I'm really sorry, sir. I understand your case, but I have to finish the check-in procedures first before I hand in the keys. Here is my passport. You take a copy. And here is my signature on the form. Thank you, Mr. Robinson. Here is your key card. Enjoy your stay. Thank you. You are welcome, sir. Have a good night.